Well, happy June, everybody. After you complete this assignment, you're going to be halfway through Photography 101 with David Hancock. As you know, I am David Hancock, YouTube's photography professor. So let's jump into this month's assignment. This month's assignment is called Plan Every Photo. Whatever it is you want to photograph, you're going to plan it first. Now, there are lots and lots of different ways to plan a photo. Your objective here is not to do it in a certain way, but to find a method of planning that works for you. This could be very detailed, saying, here's a thing I want to take a photo of, and sketching it out on a piece of paper. It could be a concept, like a narrative. I want to have this photo look this way. I want to photograph a subject in this setting. It doesn't have to be a completely detailed plan. It doesn't have to be like space shuttle schematics, but it should certainly be something more than just a wish. So, planning every photo is an important tool, and the learning objective for this month is to teach you how to visualize your images before you take them. Photography is unique among art forms in that the finished product exists before it's created. What I mean by that is a really good photograph for most photographic styles exists in the mind of the photographer prior to the actual photo being executed. Okay, so this skill is very hard to learn. That's what this assignment is going to do. In 2 weeks, I'll check back in with your progress. And what I'm looking for you from the first week is to start thinking about the types of things you would like to take pictures of in the second half of this month. In the second week, I want you to start actually planning these images, whether it's sketching it, whether it's coming up with a list of objectives. I want to photograph this subject using the rule of thirds or using the rule of halves. That would be just fine for planning a photo. Plan it in as much detail and in whatever manner is comfortable to the way that you think about your photographs. I'm not trying to teach you a specific way to do it. I'm trying to teach you a skill that works with your own creative vision. That's this month's assignment. I'll check in with you in 2 weeks, and I hope that it's going very well.